Stock market tips that will surely work. Investing in the stock market can be challenging sometimes, because the market can be so volatile. But with the right information, you can make the market much easier to profit from. Here are some investing tips that will keep you on the right road so your investment returns can keep growing. Simple, straightforward strategies are best when investing in stocks. By keeping your investment techniques simple, and following a clear and concise path, you can minimize the risk you expose your portfolio to and achieve greater success. Remember to be realistic in what your expected return is when investing. Contrary to those myths that you may have heard of, the vast majority of people are not becoming rich overnight in the stock market. You need to be involved in low-risk, manageable stocks that you can easily control. Have realistic expectations and you will be more likely make smart investing decisions. Be prepared to keep the stocks long-term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. One fund to consider when investing in the stock market is an index fund. Index funds simply track a segment of the market, most popularly the S&P 500. It takes very little effort and it guarantees that you, at least, pace the market at large. Studies show that actively managed funds largely underperformed index funds. It is hard to beat the market. Use the tips from this video to help you with your investments, and you'll find that the stock market becomes much less of a risk for you. Learn all you can so that you can make even smarter choices, and your investments can continue to be a source of financial security. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Bartolome MC.